Hey friends, welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a new card on Wise. Go ahead and click on cards at the bottom. Then here you'll find your current card. You can even choose to delete it by clicking on delete and delete this card right here. And you can even tap on replace to replace the card. As you can see, replace at the bottom right there as well. But to get a new card, simply click on order a card, and you will see the option here. It says for free you can get the digital card or the virtual card, and you just need to go ahead and click on free. There's also option to get physical card here, which is going to cost you some money. It's going to arrive in 14 days as well, but you can choose the option what you want. Let's say I want to have this debit card here. I can click on free, and as you can see, I can order this card here by click order digital card. Here you can also change the color of the card as well, so I'm going to do that. Click on that, and as you can see right here, I'm gonna have it. Right now the card is ready. I can choose if I want to add it into my GPay right here, or I can just simply click on view card, and as you can see, I will have the card showing up right there, and this is the card. Here are both of my cards now, and that's it guys. Very easy and very simple.